Hi LearnDash users, your students just accomplished something amazing. So, why is their certificate sitting in a folder, unseen by anyone? What if every certificate your site issues could become a marketing engine for them and for you? Introducing the new social sharing feature, built right into our amazing unique certificate generator plugin on the request of our customers. For other amazing feature, please search or click the link given in the description. One click, real credibility, real visibility, for every single certificate your students earn. Setting it up takes less time than making your coffee. Install the plugin, head to Unique Certificate Generator settings, flip the switch for LinkedIn, Facebook, X, Reddit, and Pinterest. Pick the platforms that matter to your audience, click Save. That's it, you're done. Now here's where the magic happens. The moment a student completes a course and earns their certificate, beautiful, ready-to-use social sharing buttons appear automatically on their profile page. No plugins to configure, no copy-pasting links, no friction. One click, and their achievement is live on LinkedIn, showcased to their entire professional network. For your students, it's a proud moment made shareable, proof of their hard work, front and center where employers, peers, and friends can see it. For you, it's free, organic promotion. Every share is a quiet advertisement for your courses, reaching new audiences you never had to pay for. Every certificate becomes a mini billboard for your brand. Every share builds trust. Every click brings a new visitor back to your site. This isn't just a feature, it's word-of-mouth marketing running on autopilot. Stop letting your students' achievements go unnoticed. Turn every completed course into a shareable success story and every share into new growth for your website. Get the unique certificate generator plugin today and switch on social sharing in less than a minute, because when your students shine, your site shines too.